Today I'll present you Imply's newest release. The MiniBowling has arrived. The kiosk has an 18.5-inch screen in portrait format like a phone. It displays the score and game options on a very user-friendly interface.
Features impressive lighting effects with RGB LEDs that change color interactively with the game.
It is 18 centimeters, 7 inches high, which means you don't need extra steps for access. The ball fits in the palm of your hand, making it accessible for all ages. It is very safe as you can see the ball returning, making MiniBowling even more attractive. There is also colourful LED lighting along the gutters and pins. And finally, the 55-inch monitors are another great feature. Want to add fun and technology to your venue? With the MiniBowling you can do just that.